Okay, let's unpack this. Imagine these tiny drips of water, right? Hiding where you can't see them. They seem small, maybe insignificant, but they can cause really big problems. So today, we're doing a deep dive into something super important for your home. Finding those sneaky water leaks, our mission. It's basically to show you why finding them early is like finding hidden treasure for your house. And, well, your health too.
Yeah, what's fascinating here, I think, is how quickly these small issues can really grow into something much, much bigger. We're looking at some helpful information today from a local expert, Pacific Blue Mechanical. It's stuff from their website. And we want to understand the benefits, especially for you if you're a homeowner in places like, say, Richmond.
Okay, so here's where it gets really interesting. Why should you actually care about these little water leaks? Well, the sources we're looking at, like Pacific Blue Mechanical, tell us finding leaks early is super good for you and your home. Like, really good. It can save you a lot of money. We're talking big repair bills down the line, and it can even make your water bill smaller. I mean, nobody likes paying for water they didn't even use, right?
Exactly. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, especially for people living in Richmond, stopping leaks isn't just about saving cash. It keeps that yucky mold from growing, which is really important for staying healthy, keeping the air clean in your house. Plus, it helps your home keep its good value. So if you ever want to sell it, buyers will be much happier. No nasty surprises. It just gives you peace of mind, really, knowing your house is safe and sound.
Right, peace of mind is huge. So what does this all mean then? How do we actually find these hidden drips? Our source, Pacific Blue Mechanical, mentions some pretty smart tools like special listening devices that can literally hear the water inside the pipes.
Acoustic detection.
Or cameras that see changes in temperature to spot wet spots that are hidden. That's pretty cool, right? It's like having superpower eyes and ears for your pipes.
Yeah, it's advanced stuff. And this sort of raises an important question. When should you call for help? The experts at Pacific Blue Mechanical, the website we're looking at, they suggest getting a pro involved if you see weird stains appearing, maybe on walls or ceilings, or if you feel dampness anywhere, like carpets or floors.
Or that water bill thing you mentioned.
Yes, exactly. Or if your water bill suddenly jumps way up for no reason, that's a big one. They can use those special tools, like the cameras and listening gear, to find leaks that you might just completely miss on your own.
Okay, so you can also help though, right? By looking for signs yourself, like, maybe wet spots on walls or floors or paint that's bubbling up. Keep an eye out for that kind of thing.
Absolutely. Being vigilant helps.
But for the tricky stuff, yeah, those pros in Richmond, like Pacific Blue Mechanical, they really know their stuff.
So yeah, to wrap it up, when it comes to water leaks, acting fast is key. And getting help from people who know what they're doing, like those at Pacific Blue Mechanical in Richmond, it's just smart, plain smart. Saves you money, keeps your family healthy, prevents all that yucky mold, and it protects your biggest investment, your own.
Yeah, think about it. A small check now can stop a giant headache later. It really makes sense. So what else in your home might be silently causing problems that a little deep dive could solve? Something to think about. For more help and details, you can visit the Pacific Blue Mechanical website, learn about their services in Richmond and, beyond. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive.